Welcome back to Autocar World, your home for exploring the most exciting cars on the market. Today, we're diving into something truly special, the 2025 Subaru WRX TS. This isn't just any sports sedan, it's a symbol of Subaru's passion for blending performance, technology, and practicality into one adrenaline-pumping package. So, buckle up as we take you through everything this car has to offer. At first glance, the WRX TS is unmistakably Subaru. The sharp, aggressive design immediately captures attention. It's as if the car is always ready to leap into action. The front grille has been widened, giving the car a bolder, more intimidating presence. The LED headlights, with their sleek, angular design, don't just enhance visibility, they make a statement. Subaru has always focused on functional beauty, and this car is no exception. As you move around, you'll notice the subtle yet purposeful aerodynamic elements. The 19-inch alloy wheels are a standout feature, designed not just for aesthetics but to enhance grip and stability. Behind them, you'll spot the bright red Brembo brakes, a clear signal that this car means business when it comes to stopping power. Subaru hasn't stopped at performance, though. They've incorporated a lightweight carbon fiber roof, which lowers the car's center of gravity. It's these details that make the WRX TS not just a car, but a finely tuned machine. The heart of the WRX TS lies under the hood. Subaru has packed this car with a 2.4-liter turbocharged flat-4 engine. This powerhouse delivers a thrilling 350 horsepower and 330 pound-feet of torque. These numbers translate to a 0-60 time of just 4.5 seconds, ensuring you're not just keeping up with the competition, you're leading it. Whether you're darting through city streets or conquering mountain roads, the WRX TS gives you the confidence to push boundaries. One of Subaru's standout features has always been their symmetrical all-wheel drive system, and it's no different here. The WRX TS is designed to excel in all conditions. Rain, snow, or dry tarmac, it doesn't matter. You're always in control. Combine that with the advanced suspension system featuring Bilstein dampers, and you get a car that feels planted, stable, and ready for any challenge. Inside, the WRX TS elevates the driving experience to a whole new level. Subaru has gone all out to create a cockpit that feels as premium as it is driver-focused. The Recaro sport seats are a perfect example of this attention to detail. Finished in Alcantara and accented with red stitching, these seats aren't just comfortable, they keep you firmly in place during spirited driving. The cabin is modern and well thought out, with an 11.6-inch vertical touchscreen at its center. This is Subaru's latest Starlink infotainment system, offering smooth navigation through various controls and features. Whether you're syncing your phone via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, or just adjusting settings, everything is intuitive and responsive. The Harman Kardon sound system is another highlight, ensuring your favorite tunes sound crisp and immersive. What sets the WRX TS apart is its focus on the driver. The fully digital instrument cluster is not just a display, it's your command center. With customizable options, you can monitor everything from speed and fuel efficiency to more performance-oriented data. It's a subtle but important reminder that this car is built for enthusiasts who love staying connected to their machine. When it comes to performance, Subaru offers even more customization through the C-Drive system. This lets you adjust throttle response, steering feedback, and even suspension dynamics. Whether you're in the mood for a comfortable daily drive or an exhilarating weekend blast, the WRX TS adapts to your style. Now, while performance is at the core of the WRX TS, Subaru hasn't forgotten about practicality. With its four-door layout and spacious interior, this car isn't just a thrill idea, it's also family-friendly. The rear seats provide enough legroom for adult passengers, making it a versatile option for road trips or daily commutes. Open the boot, and you'll find a generous amount of space for luggage, groceries, or whatever you need to carry. Subaru's knack for blending utility with sportiness is on full display here. It's a car that doesn't make you choose between fun and functionality, it gives you both. Another area where Subaru shines is safety. The WRX TS comes loaded with the latest iteration of their EyeSight driver assist technology. This system includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and pre-collision braking. These features not only make your drive safer but also less stressful, particularly on long journeys or in heavy traffic. When you're out on the open road, the WRX TS also impresses with its efficiency. While performance is the priority, Subaru has managed to deliver respectable fuel economy. With around 25 miles per gallon on the highway, this isn't a gas guzzler. It's yet another way the WRX TS balances practicality with performance. Of course, in the competitive world of performance sedans, there are plenty of rivals. Cars like the Honda Civic Type R and VW Golf R bring their own strengths to the table. The Type R might appeal to those who prefer a front-wheel drive experience, while the Golf R offers a more refined, German-engineered approach. But the WRX TS stands out with its rugged all-wheel drive system and its ability to handle any terrain or weather condition. It's a car that doesn't just excel on smooth tarmac, it thrives when the going gets tough. Price-wise, the WRX TS is positioned as a premium offering. Starting at around £40,000, it's not the cheapest option in the segment, but it offers exceptional value for what it brings to the table. When you factor in the advanced technology, safety features, and raw performance, it's clear that Subaru has crafted a car that justifies its price tag. So, what's the final verdict? The 2025 Subaru WRX TS isn't just a car, it's a statement. It's a reminder that driving can still be exciting, even in a world dominated by SUVs and EVs. With its aggressive design, thrilling performance, and everyday usability, the WRX TS is a car that appeals to both the heart and the head. What do you think about the Subaru WRX TS? Is it the ultimate performance sedan for you, or are you leaning towards something else in this competitive segment? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Autocar World for more exciting automotive content. Until next time, drive safe and keep exploring.